Now again, more refractive index, more will be the lateral displacement. Okay, more refractive index, more will be the lateral displacement. Now here keep in mind that these two will be parallel, emergent ray and the direction of incident ray will be the parallel when the refracting surfaces are parallel. Two refracting surfaces, so these two are parallel, then it will be. Is it? And if ray of light is what? Started from where? Air and going inside glass, again coming back to what? Emerging out in the air. So then these two angles will be equal. That is, angle I will be equal to angle E, emergent angle. Yes? Now, next is multiple image found by thick mirror or thick glass. Yes, if mirror is made up of thick glass, say this is thick glass, if lower portion is what? It is silvered. Yes, lower portion is silvered, so then it will behave like a mirror. So such type of thick mirror, what type of image will form? In case of thin mirror, okay, we are having single what? Image. But here in this case, there are so many image will form. One image will be brightest one, and other images along with that. Okay, there are very light images will appear. Just see. These two surfaces are known as refracting surface, and this one is the base. Is it? And angle between the refracting surfaces, just see, this is the angle between two refracting surfaces. This is the angle. So this angle is known as angle of prism. Okay, if we'll keep prism and draw the outline, it will appear like a triangle. Is it? Now see. So we'll draw an equilateral triangle for the prism. Why I have drawing the triangle? Because I told you, if I'll keep on the paper or the board, drawing board, then we'll draw the outline of the prism. So we'll get a triangular shape. Say it is A, B, C. Now a ray is incident on it. So obviously this angle is angle of prism. Now a ray of light is incident on it. So this is glass, this is air, and this one also what? Air. This is the actual. If there is no any medium, single medium is there, the incident ray will move in this way. Now ray is traveling from rarer to denser medium. So it will bend towards what? Normal. So this is refracted ray. angle I, incident angle of incident. This one say R1, angle of refraction. Now again, this is say N2. Okay, this is M, this one is N, normals. This is the actual path of this ray. Now ray is traveling from denser to rarer medium. Then it will move away from the normal. So this is emergent ray. The angle of incident in second interface, say this is R2. This one is angle of emergence. Say this is P, Q, R, S. P, Q, R, S. So PQ is incident ray, QR is refracted ray, and RS is emergent ray. Correct? RS is emergent ray. Now, one will produce this emergent ray in backward direction, then it will meet on the direction of the incident ray at say T. Not T, say it is D. This is T. Correct? So this angle is known as angle of deviation, marked by delta. First it is deviating through this much, say this is delta 1. Second it is deviating through what? The angle delta 2. In first refraction what happened? The incident ray is deviating through delta 1 from the direction of incident ray. That is delta 1. In second case, this is the actual path of the refracted ray. Now it is deviating through this much. So this is delta 1. And this is the final deviation. Final deviation means deviation of emergent ray from the direction of incident ray. So delta is equal to what? Delta 1 plus delta 2. Twice it is deviating. So delta 1 plus delta 2 equal to delta. That is, angle of deviation is first deviation in the first surface, and delta 2 is the deviation in the second surface. Is it? Now we'll find the relation between angle of incident, angle of emergence, angle of prism, and angle of deviation. Angle of prism and angle of deviation. That means, in your book you will see this one, I have written here what? I and E. In your book it is written I1 and I2. Okay? I1 and I2. Is it? Now we'll find relation between angle of incident, angle of emergent, angle of deviation, and angle of prism. Now we'll produce these two normals. Say they are meeting at a point, mark it as E. Okay? Now, from this triangle, from triangle DQR. Now first we will do this one.